Hey up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Betty KB and we're gonna do a ponytail today.
Really?
Okay, so right now I'm blow drying my hair. Because it's going faster. Alright. Let's be serious now, guys. Oh, there I go. There I am. Here I go. Alright, guys, this is a brush. And we're brushing backwards, and we're going to use our hands to pat it down so it's nice and sleek and smooth. Yeah. Okay, so here I'm going to use my hand and put it up into a bun. B-U-N. Alright, guys, I'm using my hand to get it as slick as I can. And here's the back of my hair, guys. Yeah, and there's the front. And we've got up in a bun, and we're going to use some Echo gel. It's green. Yes, wave it a bit brown. We're going to take a minute, dip our hand in, dip, splash, splash, splash. Here we go, guys. We're going to apply it onto our hair. Front. Yeah, we're going to use our hands to get that down as neat as we can. We're going to do the back as well, guys. Don't forget the peps. Every bit counts. Don't go stingy on the gel. Some people might need more than others. We're going to brush it in now, guys. Get it as sleek as we can. Yes. Brush. And we're going to take it back out. Don't ask why, but we're just going to do that. And we're going to get to make it tight, guys. And we're going to get our hands and we're going to make sure it gets even tighter. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm getting close to the camera so you can see me. Hey, Betty KV. And we're going to put it back into the hairband. So we've taken it out, put it back in, take it out, put it back in, and here we are. Right. Yeah. Stretch out the hair a bit. You can see the back, guys. Slayed. Yes. There's no texturization here today, guys. Yes. Yeah. Yep. There's my tongue. And there's my tongue piercing. It's called a snake bite, by the way. And here is the expression 1B. And we're gonna go a bit fast. Let me slow down a bit. Right, we're gonna put it into 2. Yes. For those that can't count, 2 comes after 1. And yeah, here we go, guys. There we go. That's in 2. So we split it and put it into 2, and we created a little sort of knot. Right. And here is the hairband or elastic or whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna make a loop. There you go, guys. Made a loop. There we go. Yep, stretchy. There's my loop. Now I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back of my head. It didn't take 5 minutes to do, guys. It's just this is the way the video is edited. So now we're gonna plait it into 3 braid, plait, cane row, cornrow, however you wanna. Okay, we're gonna cornrow into 3. This is the back of my head, guys. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm still here. So yeah, braid my hair. I'm gonna do it myself. Because I got no one to do it for me. I'm just gonna use my own voice, guys, because you know, copyright protection. We can't use any more music. Alright. We're plaiting. Yep, guys. Just checking you're still there. There we go. Plaiting. It's not taking me this long, guys. Yeah. Okay, we braided, plaited, cornrowed, whatever you want to say it. Right now, I don't know the terminology, so I'm gonna ask. Oh. It looks like we're dancing in the back. But yeah, guys, well, that was me, and this is my ponytail. And like, subscribe, comment, and Lakers go. Hey. Betty KB. Side profile.